Hi, I'm Ben. So you want to see some really cool construction equipment? We'll show you all the cool things that can happen on a construction site. You'll see and learn about all sorts of heavy equipment like excavators, loaders, dump trucks and cement trucks, rock crushers, and all sorts of things. But before we get onto the construction zone, you have to know some safety rules so you don't get hurt. Never go onto a construction site without an adult. Always get permission to be on the site. And never play on or around any construction equipment. So now that you know the safety rules, put on your safety gear and let's go. First, let's take a look at an excavator. See if you can guess what this machine does. Never look at the bright arc from a welding torch without proper eye protection. The light can be very harmful to your eyes. This person is wearing the proper safety equipment. So now I'll bet you know what an excavator can do. I've got a couple of holes I could dig in my backyard. Well, maybe not that big. You know, women can operate heavy machinery as well. So let's meet Jerry, a mom who drives a 10-wheel dump truck.
This is my mom, and she drives a dump truck. Her job is really cool.
I'm Jerry, and I drive a dump truck. Women, as well as men, can do this job. I really love driving this truck. right now.
I like when the dump thing goes all the way up.
What's the dump thing called?
I like when the bed goes all the way up.
Wow, what a great mom. What did you think about that? Well, did you ever wonder what those dump trucks carry? Well, next, we'll show you what actually goes into the bed of those dump trucks. Let's visit a rock crushing facility that shakes, munches, crunches, slices, and dices rocks into all sorts of different sizes to be used for different purposes. So let's go. Now that was a crushing experience. Now that all these rocks have been sorted into different sizes, some of them can be used to make concrete. Some people call concrete cement, but the real word is concrete. So now let's go to the concrete plant. Hit it, camera guy. Okay, so we've all seen those men and women out there holding the stop signs and slow signs for construction zones, right? Well, let's meet a person who really gets into his job.
My name is Sweet Pryor, Pryor. Winter's gone, spring's coming on. Time to get back to the construction zone. Tractors, trailers, cars, and trucks, backhoes digging all the roads up. There's a man that I've been told he'll be standing in the middle of the road. With quick hands and fancy feet, they all call him Flagging Sweet. That'll be me. The most favorite part of my job is putting a smile on someone's face. You're gonna be in the movie, how about that? Okay, here we go. All right, how you doing?
Good.
I would like to have a compliment on how you think my flagging is.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
All right, have a good afternoon. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. All right, all right. And when you can stand out there in all that traffic and put smiles on all those people's faces, that's one of the best things that could happen in this world. My advice to the kids is stay in school, be smart, listen to your parents.
Well, I can't do it as good as Sweet, but I can try. These days, it's a good idea to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Next, we'll show you how some really big munchers grind, chew, and pulverize used wood products so they can be recycled and turned into electricity. Did you know that much of the leftover wooden construction materials can be reused and turned into electricity? This tub grinder chews up the used wood materials and turns them into wood chips. You might see these wood chips in a playground or even in a garden. The rest of these wood chips, which we now call fuel, go to a special facility where they help make electricity. This used wood material is just as important as lumber is. All of the recycled fuel is 100% utilized and there is no waste. First, the fuel is unloaded from the carrying trucks. From big piles, the fuel is pushed into the fuel house, where it is sorted by size and then utilized. Long and skinny reclaimers move the fuel little by little onto conveyor belts. After the fuel is sorted, it travels along another conveyor belt, almost 10 stories high, where it will be processed in a huge burner. The fuel is then dropped into a burner, where the really, really small dust-like particles are burned right away, even before they hit the bottom of the burner. The heavier pieces of fuel are slowly dropped to the bottom and continue to keep burning. This person cleans the burner and mixes the wood fuel, so everything is totally burned up and utilized, and there is no waste. It's so hot, he has to wear a protective suit and gloves. The control panel operator checks all the fuel coming into the burners to make sure there is just enough fuel and not too much. He also checks the steam temperature, pressure, the burner temperature, and everything else. Computerized equipment checks the levels of oxygen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and other emissions. These standards are very strict to help keep the air we breathe clean. The wood fuel heats water to make steam. The steam turns a turbine. The turbine is connected to a generator, which then makes the electricity. Of course, electricity is useful, but it can be very dangerous. Never play around with electricity. This particular electric facility can generate up to 20 megawatts per hour. That's 20 million watts of electricity, enough to light up a small city of 500 homes. Wow, I'll bet you didn't know how important recycling could be. We wouldn't want to be left out in the dark. Hey, who turned out the lights? Well, did you enjoy yourself? Learn something new about construction equipment or recycling? Pick up some new safety tips? I did. So until next time, keep on building. Check out these great videos for kids from Bill Aaron Productions. Action-packed, educational, exciting, Dove family approved. All about helicopters. Learn about all of the awesome helicopters, the incredible jobs they do, their crews,
Rear, this is Kilo, over.
and all the teamwork it takes to get the job done. Snowplows at work. A kid's eye view of all the big rigged snow removal equipment that clears the winter snow from all the roads, highways, and railroads. Construction Zone. An exciting live action video of cement trucks, loaders, excavators, and road flaggers. Even take a first-hand look at an electric generating facility which utilizes recycled wood products to make electricity for you and me. You'll see and learn about all sorts of heavy equipment like never get on. Well, now we're going to take a look at what does go into the bed of those dump trucks. Some people call cement concrete, but the real word is concrete. So we've all seen those men and women out there holding the chew, grind, and pulverize wood products to be used as the... Next, we'll show you...